Hi. Hey, it's the Rules God and Gia Macleods. And we have something exciting. Brett.
Yeah, what is this?
Honestly, you haven't seen this before, right?
I'm not.
Okay, so we just got this out of the box.
Sit down.
Oh, yeah, sometimes I do that. And it's from Yarro Studios, and it's the battle maps. I'd love
really cool.
for you to open that while I put on my bracer.
Immersive battle maps.
Can't go into something without
First
my...
of all, the package looks like a huge book. I
Right?
gotta open this thing, actually.
It does look like a big book.
The back is
Might
great.
have to use your teeth.
I don't know, I like the back. I am Atlas Mundi. Welcome to my world.
Oh, wow.
I kind of see what's going to go in that, but wow, this looks really cool.
We love supporting the community, so, you know, if you have other things you want us to review, we can always do that. Wow, that looks rad.
Okay.
Here, let's put it right down here so we can get a nice view of that sucker. Just throw that in the pool. By the way, we're at my house.
That's
up
right.
in the hills of Calabasas. There's Luke Gygax's house right over there. You can see it from here.
Yep. I kind of dig it, though. It's like a book of maps.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I see you just bring the book. Well, that's kind of clever.
I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Exactly.
Yeah,
You have all the maps handy.
My only stipulation, that's really, I mean, the maps are super high quality.
Yeah. You also have to get balanced, so there's like...
That's what I was going to say. I'd have to bring like a thing to put it under here.
That's easy to do.
Like my... you know, my
I know, or my Magic 20 set or die that light
will that work? He tried to roll a d20. You saw what he did there. Didn't work. Well, hey, let's see this in action a little bit. So, what are these guys? Oh, these are Umberhawks. Remember these guys?
Yeah.
D&D Umberhawks. So you're an Umberhawk, Brett.
Okay.
And I'm just I guess I'm a barbarian. You know, I'm coming down the street. I guess I can go 6 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Uh-oh, I see you over there. Neither one of us has anything to throw at each other except a rock.
That's right.
I got to get out my dice. What am I thinking?
All right, we got your moves. So now it's my action, right?
I guess it's just a raw...
I'm just throwing a freaking boulder in your face.
Okay, just chucking it.
18.
Smack
I think
him.
it's a smack. It's got to be it.
Smack the barbarian right in the face. Oh no, this is terrible.
Goner. So I own this map. So I won this map battle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
that's what we're using it for battle map. I really like the idea of just carrying a book.
I think it's pretty cool, actually.
You know,
this is different. Never seen anything like this.
I mean, when we play at Macleod Ale, this could be very useful because, you know, we have so many circumstances. Like, I never know what they're going to do because it's all home brewed. So this is great. Like, hey, go to page 52. You've got... God, these are really good maps.
Oh, check out this arena. That's
dude,
cool.
the arena.
That's a cool little arena.
If you're into Russell Crowe and Gladiator, we just found your arena.
Rooftops.
Can't ever have enough of those.
Icy Glacier.
This is really cool. Running Strange Eons tonight. It's a Pathfinder campaign.
Yes.
And the maps aren't any bigger than this. We're doing it digitally. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Man, this is better water than the Paizo maps, I'll tell you. Look at that.
Very detailed.
Sorry, Paizo. We love the rest of your maps. Actually, the water's okay, but I think this is really cool.
Yeah. This is really neat.
Wow, so you get a little everything. There's like inns, there's waterfalls. That's a really cool.
That's cool.
Bridge.
Waterfall. That's like exactly the cliffside and everything going down.
I mean, whoever's designing these maps is top quality.
Yeah, great quality maps. I like the detail. And just being in a book for just easy access is pretty clever. I like that. Yeah.
I'd love to see it in a digital format too. Like that'd be really cool if the book accompanied like a digital format. That would be the only drawback of this. And like we were saying, like if you have something to kind of prop one side up, I mean, obviously if you're in the center, it's perfectly balanced. Right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm sure you can easily figure that out. We have dice. We can
you know
probably
what?
make it balanced. It's so
if
simple.
you use like potato chip bag clips in the end, it would like, you know what I mean?
Oh, that's true. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Exactly. To really clamp it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. But
like how great.
Yeah. No, it's
Man,
really
they need to
clever.
release these digitally too.
Yeah, I think that's a digital.
Because I don't know about you, but we've been playing a lot digitally, just with COVID and distance. And
for sure. Wow, so I'm just intrigued by the maps. I'm not looking at the camera much. I'm just looking
I know.
down here. I'm like, this is really,
I've lost Brett.
I'm fascinated. I know exactly. No, I'm really fascinated.
Well, listen, this is a surprise that we got this stuff, and I just think if you're looking for some maps to amp, I mean, this is like everything that you would need in maps. You know, it's icy, it's beachy. Cool. There's underwater, there's above
map.
water.
I've never seen an underwater map before.
I have a couple from Paizo, yeah, but I have everything from Paizo. I have access to their digital downloads because we're developing some television content. That's a super secret. You heard it here first. Like a hellscape, this is cool.
Oh, very
Maybe
cool.
an abyss. Oh, grasslands, can't have that. You know,
Lord of the Rings. Yeah, exactly. Just
very cool. I like to put that in the back because you always need like street stuff.
That's true. Exactly.
Really cool. Here, just don't put your minis inside the yarrow map. That doesn't work either.
That's true. Yeah.
Okay?
Exactly. You got to protect.
So what do you think?
I think it's good. I never seen anything like it before, actually. So
really
great
cool.
job. Kudos to you guys for making this.
Thank you, Yarro Studios, for the maps, and they didn't pay us. They just said, hey, give a review if you want. So that was exciting to us.
Definitely. Yeah, definitely.
We get bored. If it's not RPG, we get bored. And so this is wonderful. Wow. I wish the rest of my maps could kind of do this. The big ones.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, can you make a huge
Yarro
book?
Studio, make the next
For the
book.
next one? Yeah,
I mean, this
exactly.
one weighs a lot too.
It does. Yeah, you're right.
But if you're hauling around maps like I do, I keep them in like a art portfolio bag. Like it's really not easy. But if they came in a thing like this, it'd be so cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Rules God, Jim Macleods.
Great job.
Have a great one. Oh, subscribe and like, rate and review. Leave a comment. Please leave a comment.